everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the tips which I am bringing in. Sorry, I was going to say resonating with the readings. I'm so used to the daily routine that that is how it's coming. So I know the sale is coming, and the sale this time I'm bringing in more powerful and more different sort of products. The first product is I've already posted, I guess, about the karmic related thing in the Insta, but the video is still not come. So this is the first product. You all must be wondering what is this with one thread. I shall explain, but before that I'm just going to smudge these candles before I even explain to you all how I do. Now usually I don't go with Californian sage. This is the cedar sage which I have, but I don't sell this. But if I prefer Palo Santo, which I've always said that I love Palo Santo. So what are these candles? As I'm smudging them, I will tell you all. These are the candles which you use for cord cutting. Now cord cutting should be done with who all? Many people ask me what is the best way to do cord cutting. I tell them cord cutting best way is to work with Archangel Michael. But sometimes we also need to personally see to it that we do cut our cords, because sometimes recently there was a case which came where the person was not ready to let go of that other person, and because of which they were stuck in that relationship. So I said, cut the cords. And she said, Pinky ji, I have tried Archangel Michael, I have tried everything. Then that was the time I decided, why not bring in some candles which will work towards cutting the cords of people who are not needed. Now with whom all you can cut your cords? With another male member, with another female member, a female and female, a male and male. So these are more like customized candles. Here I am showing you all is a white female and a white male. Now the person, this is the person who has come to me, my client, and she wants to get away from this person. She wants to cut cord from this person. Now in this case it is a toxic relationship. I would say it's a toxic relationship where he is just a friend, but he is overpowering her and over dominating her, and that is the reason she came to me for cutting away the cords. But overall, when you do a cord cutting, for example, you have a neighbor or you have a relationship with someone who is highly toxic for you, or you want to cut cords with your past, you want to cut cords with someone from your past, you want to cut cords with some general person, like if supposing someone says, I want to cut cords with my mother-in-law. So now if it's a mother-in-law, it's a female, then what we do is we give 2 female candles. Alright, now if it is, say for example, Halime, I got a case where this male guy says that the other male guy is always troubling him and always empowering him. Now when this word came as empowering, it is not in terms of relationship. It is basically they are 2 business partners, they are 2 business people, and what they were doing is they were running a business together. And at that point of time, at one stage, what started happening was that though this person is just like a sleeping partner, and this person is working partner, the working partner started overpowering the sleeping partner, and the working partner started cheating on him in terms of finances. So the male and the male candle. Now the person who comes to you that I want this relationship away from my life, I want this to cords to cut, for them we give the white candle, and the person who has to go from our life, for them it is the black candle. This is the basic concept behind the cord cutting candles. Now what I do straight away is I keep back to back facing. I don't do face to face, but many people I have heard that they keep face to face, and after they burn here, once the cord is cut, they turn it. But I don't believe in that. I feel right from the starting, I just believe in keeping it upside down and then burning it. Now for this I make a special cord cutting oil. Alright, and for this I make a special cord cutting herb. So what you will do is, now when students come to me or when my clients come to me, what I do is I energize it with the person's name. I work on the person's name here, and then I see to it that I work on Archangel Michael. I call on Archangel Michael, I invoke the energies, and then I send the candles to them. Now if you are a person who's using it, what you will do is you will take the oil and then you will apply on the thread first, because the thread is the main course which is going to cut the cord. So you will open the bottle, and then a drop of the oil first will go on the thread. Now when you apply on the thread, you will not apply towards the white side. Okay, now I have taken the oil, I am going to apply towards this side. Alright, and only little bit on the tip here. and then I will keep it off, and then on the candles I will apply the oil and I will apply the herb on both the sides, and then I will light the candle here. Now when I light the candle here, the cord will cut and then it will burn completely. How many times should I do? Many people ask me, if I do one time, is it enough? If I do 2 times, it is enough. Understand one thing, the more stronger or the more long lasting the relationship has been, that many times you will have to work on this cord cutting relationship, else it is not going to work. So if the person has been clinging on to you for years, then at least you will have to do it for 21 times. If the person has just come and you realize that this person is not good for you and you know he needs to leave you and go, then yes, you can work on 11 times. But cord cutting has to be done at least a minimum of 11 times. So I hope you all like this new product, and it is coming in the sale also. Even if it is not in the sale, you can always get in touch with me and I will tell you how much it is priced for and everything. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon. Pass it on to those friends of yours who are stuck in toxic relationships and who want to do cord cutting from unwanted people. Have a beautiful and an amazing day ahead. God bless you all. Thank you.